Next example is this problem. Billy is standing at the edge of a cliff that overlooks a lake. He picks up a rock, drops it straight down into the lake. If the rock takes 2.75 seconds to reach the lake, what is the height of the cliff above the water? So, si Billy kuno na siya sa cliff. Dayon, he picks up a rock and drops it straight down into the lake. So, for example, mao ni ang cliff. Diri si Billy. Mao ni ang rock nga iyahang gilabay. So, ang rock kuno takes 2.75 seconds to reach the lake. 2.75 seconds to reach the lake. So, ang rock padulong siya sa ubos. It's the X and Y. So, pa-downward iyahang pagtagak. So, ang given ra is ang seconds, ang time. So, mao ni ato ang given. The initial velocity is equals to 0 meter per second. So, na kay mao man ang initial velocity constant ni siya. So, ang final velocity is wala pa. Ang change in position, the delta y, muna itong pangitaon. And acceleration is always 9.8 meter per second squared. Pero kuan man ang rock man ipadulong man siya sa ubos, mahimo ning negative dire. Constant ni siya, constant 9.8 meter per second squared. So ang time is 2.75 seconds. So naatay mga equation nga, mga formula nga pwede nato nga gamiton. First is the initial position is equal to 1/2 times initial velocity plus final velocity times time. Second, final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration times time. Third, change in position or delta y is equal to initial velocity plus 1/2 times acceleration times time squared. And the fourth one is the final velocity squared is equal to initial velocity squared of the initial velocity, and 2 times x2 acceleration and change in position. So as you can see, naatay kuan diri initial velocity, naatay acceleration and time. Ang wala na to is ang change position. So diri na siya change in position, naa siya initial velocity, pero wala taaning final velocity and change in position. Pero na siya acceleration, pero wala man taaning duha, so dili siya pwede mong gamit. So kani na final velocity, wala man tay final velocity, dili siya pwede. Kani po wala man tay kuan change in position, wala po tay final velocity nga given, so dili siya pwede. So, ang atong formula nga gamitan is this. So, muna itong formula. Kaya itong gipangita is change in position man. Then, kabalo na punta sa time, acceleration, and the initial velocity. So, ato ang himon karon is mag-substitute na lang ta. So, mo ni ang given ng mga variables. So, change in position is equal to initial velocity plus 1/2 times acceleration times time squared. So, ang initial velocity is kuan naman siya 0 meter per second. So, ang atong formula is pwede pa ma-simplified. 0 man siya. So, may siyang change in position or delta y is equal to 1/2 times acceleration times time squared. So, ito na siyang i-substitute. So, the change in position is equal to 1/2 negative 9.8 meter per second squared times 2.75 second squared. No, remember this nga, ang acceleration is negative kay pa downward na siya. So, ato na lang din simplify. So, mahimo ni siya 0.5 man negative 9.8 meter per second squared times 2.75 second squared is equal to negative 37.1 meter. Mao na ni ang iyahang kahabugon, ang height sa cliff nga gikuanan ni Billy.